Reebok first modern basketball signature shoes at meron tong 3 colorways. Tara, unbox natin. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. So this is the Reebok Angel Reese 1 in Me Bounce colorway. Alam mo, napapansin ko lately, yung mga WNBA superstars or kaya basketball players ang may collaboration ngayon, especially with Sabrina kay Nike, Kobe kay Caitlin Clark, and Angel Reese kay Reebok. So pansin ko dito yung pink niya, para siyang yung KO collection ni Nike, and then kay KD Ant Pearl collection kasi ganito siya eh. By the way, this is in men's sizing. Siya yung women's na parang kay Nike Sabrina. Ko-convert mo pa, pero good thing here, ginawa nilang men's sizing. Kaya pala Me Bounce ang tawag sa colorway na to dahil sa mga trolls and haters niya. Kasi siya yung nag-rebound ng sarili niyang tira ng mga airball niya na shots. Now, focus naman tayo dito sa pair. Dito, makikita natin, sa tongue niya is A, I believe Angel Reese to. And then here, Reebok branding logo, pati dito. And then dito sa insole, Angel Reese. And then dito sa tongue, meron din makikita ERS, meaning Energy Return System. For the technology siya dito. Para mas bouncy and responsiveness bawat step mo sa court. For the second colorway, it's the Receipts colorway. Basically, black and white lang siya, so very on-point color blocking. For the third colorway, it's the Diamond Dust. So basically, white iridescent lang siya and then may pearls sa gitna ng lace. For me, ang galing ng ginawa ng Reebok para kumuha ng isang women basketball player na sumusunod na rin siya kay Nike. Kasi ang last na naalala ko dito kay Reebok is si Shaq pa. So, good job, Reebok. Among the 3 colorways, which one is your favorite? Comment below. Kung naghahanap ka nito, meron to si Collector Finds. Make sure i-message mo na sila kasi stocks are very limited.